Hello again, this is the promised update on my Yamaha YBR 125, 100 and 1000 kilometer old engine. I've shown you last year the condition of the cylinder and the piston, and today I'd like to show you real quick what I found inside the gearbox. So in particular the bearing seats, and especially that one you can see right now, is pretty much worn out. So just see what happens when you put the bearing inside, and you can just move it from side to side, which I don't think is very healthy. So I guess I will have to find new engine cases, engine halves, and just put the engine back together using new engine halves. But I think this one is pretty much finished. So here's another discovery right next to the worn out bearing seat. This is the place where the shifting drum sits. Yeah, and some heavy grinding took place here, as you can see. Very deep grooves, and it's really worked itself into the material. So this engine half is definitely finished. So here's a quick reminder on why it's important to use proper tools and patience. This clutch basket was pretty much brand new, and it's now scrap. Well, here's something amazing. This is the very first clutch basket that was installed on the engine, and I've changed it together with the clutch plates at about 103,000 kilometers, just as preventive maintenance. But it did not make me any problems until the very end, and it's crazy given its condition. The very first sprocket. Here's the old mileage indicator, just put a 1 in front of it. So I've had this cheap thing as a replacement for the original, but it was so inaccurate that I've put it away. So yeah, once I had a dial in the middle to control the brightness of the backlighting. And finally, I'd like to show you some of the old internal parts of the engine. I'm planning on reusing all of that stuff when I'm going to put the engine back together, using new engine halves and new bearings, obviously, and maybe a 150 cubic centimeter tuning, cylinder and piston, which should be a fun project. So there's gonna be another video soon, pretty soon. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, bye bye.